Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I want to share with you guys to see this beautiful Hopinage A5 cousins covers here. Yes, and after a few times we discussed with Cassandra. Yeah, she make this order, and we discussed with Cassandra for a few times, and finally we pick up and choose this mountain shape she like. Yes, so you can see it's here now. All the letters are very peppy. Yes, the mountain shape, and she chose a cloud shape with buttons here. It's very cute. Yeah, and the letter was she was choose to the matcha letter, but this time I just doing the live chat in my Facebook group. Yes, and I introduce all the letters now with me, and I just introduced the peacock green. Yes, and she immediately to send me an email. She said she like to switch the matcha green to the peacock green, and is that okay? Of course, there are many things if I didn't making yet, and many things you can still change. Yes, that's okay. So we change to the peacock greens here. You can see it's also very peppery. Yeah, and about the stitching color, and she has choose few colors and asked me how about that, and in the end I tell her about T5. I think T5 is good. Yeah, but tell the truth, I didn't know the T5 with the green, with the orange with the peacock green, they turned out so beautiful. Yes, I didn't know that before. Yes, but after I saw in that, I feel wow, it's just beautiful. Yes, it's just beautiful. You can see. Yes, and you can see here's a small package with the elastic and the metal clip inside, because the elastic she chose the dark green. So I add on the dark green to her first, and I give the extra orange to her. Yes, with the package. Okay, so let's go in to see the inside. Well, inside is very simple folio pocket in the back. Yeah, I think she just want to slide the notebook back cover into the folio. Very easy. Yeah, and with a very good feature and functional pen loops here. Yeah, and five V pockets, like V pocket here in the front. Yeah, so we can see it's just like this simple, and it's just very good, very beautiful too. Yeah, so after a few times discussed with Cassandra, yes, this is the cover is finished. Yes, I hope you will love it. Yes, I really love the colors. The colors combine the orange stitching with the green leather combined. They are just beautiful. Okay, so this is the A5 with the front mountain pocket. Yes, and a simple folio and a a 5 cost V pocket in the front with the small cloud button. It's just cute. Okay, so it will ship very soon. Okay, so wish you guys will love the videos today, and I'm thinking that the letter peeling machines will arrive in these 2 days. Yes, I'm waiting for 2 or 3 weeks now, and I just checking the number. Yes, the machine is arrived to Chicago now, and I think they will be here in 2 days. Yes, and while the machines come deliver to here, and I can start to make more orders, because I have few orders. I don't have the thin letters here, so I can do the orders right now. But while the letter peeling machine is here, and I can start to making any orders here, and I think I will be doing very well and very quick. So sorry guys for you guys to waiting for a long time, and I think my last machines will be arriving here very soon. Yes, I think it will be in today, Monday, but it doesn't come here today. So I think it must be in here, arrive here in 2 days. So while the machines come here, I will make a video to show you guys the peeling machines, the unboxing. Okay, and I will say yes, I'm so happy to receive the machines here, and we can start to making all the orders from you guys now, and all the orders you are waiting for will just very quick and fast to shipping to your address. Okay, so wish you guys will love the videos today, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.